Ayan, ngayon ang ika-day 3 ng Miss Universe 2025 competition at ayon nga sa schedule kung ito ay masusunod ngayong hapon daw magaganap ang official sashing ceremony ng mga kandidata. Patuloy pa rin inaabangan ang puksaan ng mga kandidata ng kanilang pasabog na hair and makeup as well as the styling. At syempre, ang mas inaabangan ay ang two of the most strongest contenders for the crown na sina Philippines at Thailand. Humarap si Vina, pambato ng Thailand sa media ngayong araw in her black suit with mini short instead of pants. She partnered her top and bottom with black stockings na may floral design. Straight, sleek ang hairstyle, makeup is light, smoky eyes. To finish the look, sinamahan niya ito ng pangmalakasang handbag. Okay, what's my hanash dito sa styling ni Vina? Okay, before I say my commentary, let me get this out of the way muna. Uy, alam mo, may napanood akong video dito. Sabi ng isang feelingerong bakla na feeling pageant expert, sabi niya, ngayong Miss Universe season na daw ulit, ang dami na naman daw na nagsisipaglabasang fashion expert. Hoy, bakla, kung sino ka man, anong feeling mo? Ikaw lang ang may karapatan na maglabas ng opinion about pageantry? Sino ka, Day? Ikaw ba may-ari ng Miss Universe? Feelingero, tsaka mo nga ayusin mga itsura mo dyan, bakla, bago ka mag-pageant, nakakaya sa mga nagagandang kandidata dyan. Itsura nito, siya lang doon may karapatan, tsaka mo. Anyway, back to Vina. Actually, maganda siya. This look is very stunning and powerful. Basta black outfit talaga, no? Ang lakas talaga ng dating, especially kung maganda ang pagkakastyle. This look is very well put together. Gusto ko yung nasa taas na nakasuit siya, tapos sa baba pasabog kasi mini short. Ang lakas ng twist. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda din ng stockings na sinuot niya kasi may statement. She added a little bit of touch of Thailand. Dito sa floral design ng stockings. The high heels bumagay din sa look. Para sa akin, ang mas nakapag-elevate ng look na to is yung pangmalakasang short. Kasi 'di ba, usually ang kapag nagsusuot ng suit, naka-pants, 'di ba? This is a killer, a slayer kasi ang ganda ng combination, naka-short, mini short sa baba. I'm giving Venus outfit for today a 9.8 out of 10. Maganda rin yung execution. She carried the dress very well. Magandang tindig, posture, projection sa camera. A solid 9.8 out of 10. Now, let's go naman to Atisa. In fairness, 2 days ng consistent na kabugera ang styling ni Philippines. Wow. I love this look. Okay, so she's wearing this. Is this a dress in color gray, right? Is it gray? I think so. Now, I love the color. Let me tell you why, bakit ko gusto tong styling na to. Kasi the outfit is pinag-isipan. Kasi 'di ba, of course, you're in Thailand and you still wanna pay respect to the passing of their queen. But at the same time, gusto mo pa rin maging glamorosa, 'di ba? At pasabog ka pa rin. So, perfect yung chosen color. And yes, they were able to keep the glam. The design sa top, then yung cutout sa middle part, dye pasabog, dye. I love it. If you're going to pay attention, plain lang yung dress. Wala masyadong accessories pero nag-stand out talaga siya, dye. With the help of the cutouts, the design, and the long sleeve gloves, grabe, dye. Perfect din yung chosen na silver heels. Now sa makeup lakado, she has earrings on. Similar to Vina, she has straight, sleek hairstyle. The execution dye is on point din. She was able to carry the dress perfectly with full confidence. It's very evident. Maganda yung tindig, yung posture, yung poise, yung projection sa camera. The white bag she's holding is bagay na bagay din combo against the color of the dress na gray. Good job. Siguro maka-comment ka na lang dito sa look niya. Not particularly about the styling kasi nakuha na yung styling na perfect na niya Siguro mako-comment ko na lang is I wanna see more fierceness on her face kasi she's been smiling all day, every day in a very sweet, demure way. Kasi look at Vina's facial expression. Angat na angat siya dito kasi may variety yung facial expressions na ipinapakita ni Vina. At Atisa kasi is smiling all day, every day sa media in a very sweet and demure way. I wanna see more power from her face. But overall, her outfit, her styling for today, I'm giving it a 9.9 out of 10. Sobrang ganda, sobrang lakas. Ayan. Ano hanash mo bakla? Sino kina Vina at Atisa ang pasabog sa styling today? Comment mo nga dyan.